Okay, today we're going to be making the KINO Collagen donuts. Now, if you're like me and you love donuts, but you need a lower calorie option, then you're gonna need to try out this recipe. For 6 donuts, you're looking at 400 calories, 30 grams of protein. You can't get better than that. So today we're going to be using everything you see here. We're using the blueberry muffin collagen, some liquid egg whites, some Hershey's cocoa powder. We're using an egg, applesauce. If you don't have applesauce, you could use pumpkin puree. We're using some grounded oats. If you don't have any grounded oats, you could just go buy oat flour, or you just take some oats, put them in the blender. So we're using 30 grams of oats. We're gonna be using some baking powder and baking soda, a bit of sweetener. Okay, so that's for the donut. And now for the toppings, we're gonna be using some unsweetened cashew milk, some Greek yogurt. Here I have the vanilla flavor, and a bit of food coloring. Okay, you're also gonna need a donut mold. Sorry, you're gonna have to go look on Amazon for these donut molds. Very cheap, so you're gonna need that. And that's it, so let's get straight to the recipe. Okay, so when we're baking, usually I like to start by adding in the liquid ingredients and then slowly adding in the dry ingredients. So we're gonna start by liquid egg whites. We're gonna put in the egg, the applesauce. We're gonna mix that together well and then slowly start adding in the dry ingredients. Okay, so let's go. Adding in 1 scoop of the KINO collagen and 20 grams of Hershey's cocoa powder. $20 grams, right? Perfect. Okay, so they're ready. We're gonna go take them out of the oven, and we're gonna have to let them sit for 5 to 7 minutes, even 10 minutes if you have to. All right, let's go. They smell absolutely insane. So like I said, this is the hardest part, letting them sit. While they're cooling down, you could prepare the toppings. We already prepared the toppings in advance, so we're just gonna chill out, let them sit, and we'll see you later. Okay, so let's test these out. Look at that. So I got some cookies and cream, and I have some, whatever you want to call it, it's food coloring with some Greek yogurt. Looks amazing, smells amazing, and macros are insane. For all this, you're looking at 545 calories. Now you don't have to put the cookies and cream, you don't have to put the Oreos. That sauce that I used is actually, it's a 0-calorie chocolate sauce. I'm not sure if you have it in your country, but just use Walden Farms or just use real chocolate sauce if you have the calories to work with. So 545 calories, 62 carbs, 16 fat, and 41 protein for 6 donuts. You're not gonna find that at your local Tim Hortons or Krispy Kreme if you have Krispy Kreme. Anyways, so let's do a taste test. We're gonna start with the nice raspberry flavored, the nice raspberry colored one. Really good. Oh my God. So chocolatey. And this is with the blueberry muffin. Man, when my collagen comes in, these are gonna taste even better. Really good, really filling. Surprisingly, that collagen is super filling. Okay, so let's dig into the cookies and cream. Do this one. My God, look at that. You know, nothing beats Oreos. For me, I love Oreos. I'm putting Oreos on donuts. It's so good. I highly recommend this recipe. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think in the Facebook group, on Instagram. Tag me. Tag a friend who loves donuts. I mean, for under 600 calories, you get 6 delicious donuts. Pretty good size, pretty good macros. You can't beat this. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have the link in the description for the KINO Collagen. And if you haven't picked up my recipe cookbook, the link will be down in the description as well. So like always, thank you for watching. Thank you for spending 15-20 minutes of your time watching me make these delicious donuts for you to try, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, next time.